English speaker, please come with me. Please come with me. Okay, ¿nada más? Okay. Okay, my friends, welcome to the historical center. It is a Lima downtown, and it is still okay. Melissa, my college, she mentioned in my friends on the bus about Plaza San Martin or San Martin Square. San Martin, my friend, in honor to the first liberator, José de San Martín. José de San Martín, my friend, from Argentina. Yes, from Argentina, that the statue right there depicts the general crossing the Andes. San Martín en honor to the second liberator, Simón Bolívar. Simón Bolívar, my friends, over there. Hotel Gran Hotel Bolívar in honor to the second liberator from Caracas, Venezuela. Simón Bolívar, the second liberator. Two leaders in South America in the 19th century, my friends. From Argentina, from Venezuela, José San Martín, and Simón Bolívar, my friends. Yes, that hotel, it was opened in 1924. In 1924, that hotel, my friends, hosted celebrities, writers, musicians, composers, their actors, actresses, presidents, and also five presidents. For example, presidents such as Charles de Gaulle, one president of France. Richard Nixon, Mr. Nixon, when he was vice president. Yes. Nat King Cole, for example, a famous singer, Nat King Cole, Ava Gardner, Clark Gable, Ernest Hemingway, Orson Welles, Pablo Neruda, yes, for example. Yes, from Italy, Rafaela Carrà is a famous Italian singer, for example. Yes. Mario Moreno Cantinflas, Pedro Infante, Mexican actor, for example. Yes. And Walt Disney, for example, and from the Rolling Stones, Mick Jagger and Keith Richards. That hotel, my friend, is famous for the Pisco Sour Cathedral. Pisco Sour, maybe as you know, is a Peruvian welcome drink. Yeah, that's this. Yeah, and Pisco, and that offer, its version is Pisco Sour Cathedral. The second most important square, Plaza San Martín. The first one, Plaza de Armas or the Mayor Square. Plaza de Armas is 5 blocks over there, okay? Let's take a walk together. Yes, please. How you recognize the touring bus group? I'm holding a flag with the name of the company. Please follow me.
¿Más sobre Bolívar o...?
Bueno, más
Argentina, ¿no?
Where are you from? USA. Which state are you come from?
Utah.
Utah. Okay, it's in the north, of course.
The French-speaking part of the
It's in the north.
West. West side.
From Deutschland too? Germany too? Germany too? Okay, for us. Where are you from over there? Okay. The back. Okay. This is the Union Street, commercial street. Different type of trades take place along this Union Street, my friends. There are also, you can see, for example, musicians, living a statue performance, for example.
Oh, first day, right? We arrived last night.
In your first day?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think we were in Miami before.
Okay. Yes, there are many buildings that are not in good condition. There are some that are in good condition. Historical center, it's a private building. Yes, the owners.
Amerika? Ya, ya. Acá.
So what happened?